Hello everyone, good afternoon, good morning. How are you? I hope you are all fine and ready to join your lesson. Okay, so before we start our lesson, let's talk about the class rules. You need to be on time for your session and you need to sit properly. If you are sitting on the mat, you need to sit like this. And if you are sitting on the chair, I want you to sit like this one, okay? And you need to have your pencil, your crayon, and your notebook. And also, don't forget your worksheet to trace the letter, okay? And no shouting. You need to listen to Miss Ratty. No shouting or playing. Pay attention, please. Now we are going to study the letter K. The letter K is its name and the sound is K, 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 K. Can you say K, K, K with me? Okay. If you want more letter sound practice, you can Google Jolly Phonics letter K sound. You will see this song and then you can practice singing the song. But to save your time, we are not going to sing the song. Let's just say the sound K, 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 K. Okay, so you can pause the video and say the sound one more time. By the end of our lesson, I want you to be able to identify and say the letter sound K, 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 K. I want you to practice writing upper and lower case K. I want you also to read and write words with the K sound. So these are some of the objects that begin with the K sound. Look what we have here, so many, right? We have a kettle. Can you say K, kettle? K, king. And this one, K, kiwi. K, key. These ones, K, kids. Okay, and K, kangaroo, and K, kitten. This one you know, right? You have a kite, K for kite, and lastly, K for kick, kick the ball. Okay, so now can you pause the video? I want you to look around your house and get some objects that begin with the K sound. What can you get in your house? You have a kettle, right? And keys. You can look for kiwi fruits and your kite, okay? And other things, okay? Try to look around. So you can pause the video and get the objects. When you get the objects, I want you to talk about them. Describe them. How do you use them? Okay. When you are done, you come here. We are going to learn to write. So we start with our uppercase K. You draw like a line, okay? You write the way you write number one. You just start from the top, you go down in a straight line, and then you go back to the top and you make a line, and then you make another kick. Okay, K for kick, then this line also kick. Okay, so practice in the air. You can pause the video and practice 1, 2, 3. Only 3 steps, okay? You go down, you draw your line going to the first line, and then you make a kick. Okay, now the lowercase, you go down, and then you come to the half, to the middle of your lines, then you draw a small line and another small cake. Okay, can you practice again? Down, then down to the line and a cake. Okay, so pause the video and practice. Now I want you to take your worksheet for the letter K and practice. Or if you have a book with tracing letters, this is the time to trace. And if you want to get amazing worksheets, you can check on this website www.2happybears.com. You can download amazing worksheets there for handwriting practice. So when you are done with your tracing, I want you to open your notebook and write the letter K. You start with the uppercase, then you do the lowercase, okay, in your notebook. So pause the video and practice to write. When you are done, you come here. Let's read, because reading is fun. Okay. Can you see this? How many words are we going to read? How many? Can you count them? Only 2, imagine. Why do we have 2 words only? Okay, it's because we are reading words with only the letter sounds that we have done so far. Okay, we have got so many words which start with the K sound, but we cannot read them because we did not do some of the letters that are in that word. Okay, so today we are going to read only 2 words with the K sound. Okay, can you say the sound of this one in the red box? What is the sound of this one? Okay, good. How about this one? Very good. And this one? Yes. All right, now let's do together. Let's say K. K. I. I. T. T. Okay, so what is our word? Can you tell me the word? Can you say the word? Oh, that's nice. Very good. So our word is K. I. T. Kit. And you can see this is a first aid kit. K. I. T. Kit. And this one, can you say the sound for this one? Yes. And this one? Very good. And this one? Amazing. So what is the word? Can you say the word? Very good. Let's do together. K. I. D. K. I. D. What is the word? Kid. Very good. Kid. Well done. So you can stop the video, right? And practice to read one more time. Okay? And when you are done reading, I want you to come here. We are going to write. And we are also only going to write only the 2 words that we read. Okay? So I want you, for your handwriting practice and to show your creativity, can you draw this first aid kit? And don't worry about making a perfect drawing, just draw, okay? Be yourself. Draw the first aid kit and then draw this boy, or you can draw yourself, okay? Draw yourself here. So when you are done, I want you to write K. I. T. K. I. T. Kit. Okay, pause the video and write K. I. T. Kit. Then for yourself, for your drawing, you write K. I. D. kid. Right? K-I-D. Kid. So pause the video and do your work. When you are done, you come here and let's check. Did you write this word? Check. K-I-T. Yes. Very good. You can give yourself a big mark. Okay. Next one. K-I-D. Did you write like this? Okay. So if you did like this, well done. If you didn't, it's okay. If you made mistake, I want you to pause the video and write the correct words. Okay. When you are done, we move on to writing sentences. Okay, so today we are going to write sentences with the, using the two words kid and kid. So our first sentence is the shortest one, right? A kid. So I want you to draw again yourself and write the sentence a kid. You start with capital A, then you put your finger space and write K-I-D. Kid, and a full stop. Okay, then I want you to leave a big space and write another sentence a bit longer now. This is a kid. Now we are writing sentences using this. We did it is, and now we are introducing the word this to our sentence. Okay, so you start your sentence with the uppercase, and remember to put finger space and also to put the full stop, this small dot. Okay, so I want this one is easy, you are just going to copy it. And then for the kids, I want you to draw the first aid kit and write it is a kit. Right? It is a kit. Remember to start with the uppercase. Remember your finger space and full stop. So you can pause the video and write the sentence, it is a kit. When you are done, I want you to write the sentence, this, so you look here, this is a kid. Now you will write down here, this is a kit, because this one is a kit. Okay, so you start again with your uppercase, remember finger space and your full stop. So you can pause the video and write the sentences. It is a kit. This is a kit. Okay. When you are done, you come for self-assessment. Now you need to check your work. Did you write like this? This one was given to you already. Okay, just to cross-check. Maybe you made a mistake. And then let me show you. This one, you were supposed to do it by yourself. It is a kit. Uppercase, finger space, and full stop. Okay, can you check? Did you write like that? Very good. Now the last one, let's check. This is a kit. Uppercase, finger space, and full stop. And also check the spellings. Did you write it exactly as it is here? And please try to write your letters sitting on the lines. Okay, thank you so much. Good. Now I want you to say the letter K, K, K sound, because we were learning about the K, K, K sound. Name 5 objects which start with the K sound. Pause the video and name, or you can look around the house. Okay, If you forget, let's check. If you can't remember, they are here. Okay, so we have our kettle in the kitchen. Look, kettle, kitchen. And key, kiwi, king, kangaroo, cake, kite, kitten, and kids. Okay, next one. Let's see what you're supposed to do next. All right, I want you to keep on practicing to trace and write the letter K, K, K. And also to practice to write the words with the K sound, which is kit and kid. And try to draw, okay? And you can make a craft of anything which start with the letter K, K sound, just for funny, okay? And to develop your creativity. I want you to keep practicing to write sentences. Now we can write the shortest sentences, a kid. Or then you go on to it is a kid. And this is a kid. So 3 sentence structures you can write so far. Okay, so yes, you can write now 3 sentences structures. Okay, now great job everyone. Well done for joining the lesson. Thank you so much for doing your activities. I want you to keep on practicing to read and write in English, to practice to say the letter sounds. Even when you are walking around, if you see any letter, try to say it sound. Okay, that's the way we learn. If you like the video, I want you to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe so that when we start posting a new video, you will get the message. Okay, thank you so much. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.